So guys, to host our site, we will need these 3 steps. First step is to create an account in Google. If you already have, still create for our website. You have to open your Chrome browser. Now click on add account. Now click on create account. Select it for your personal use. Enter your basic personal details here. Then we will click on next button. Again, we will enter the relevant details here and click next. Now we need to choose email address. So let's click here and enter email ID which you want. Now click next. Set your password again and click next and scroll down and click agree on the terms and conditions.